doggy? Yes, we are at IKEA today. Slug bug black, no punch bag.
That's the one I called on the way in. They were in front of us.
Nope, didn't see it. Sorry.
We even watched some park.
Nope, did not watch it. I was on my phone. IKEA. We made it to the inside of IKEA. You have to wear a mask when you're here. So. Look. So pretty. Ooh, I like this bed sheet. It's pretty. Look at these curtains. Aren't they nice?
It all matches, huh?
Yeah, I like it. See where you get an IKEA bag? Do you want to get one, babe? Just in case we buy something. Yeah, it's a shop with. Look at this room. Oh, this room's pretty. Huh? Oh, does it? Ooh, look at this couch. Oh my gosh, how much is this couch?
Do I look like a kid playing?
Babe, this is the perfect size for our living room. It's only $9.49.
Hey, do I look like a grown-up, a little kid with a big bag?
Yes, you do. You look like a little kid with a grown up. Look at this. $9.49 for this couch. And this one is only $6.49. That's perfect for like the side where the thing is, the beige one. Let's see how comfortable it is. Ah. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. Ooh, nice kitchen. Hey, look at the dog bed.
Oh, look at that.
It's cute.
Smokey probably wouldn't use it, but Billy would for sure.
The kitchen. The drawers. Open and discover. Ooh. Look at that. And it doesn't slam too. It slows down. Look. Cool. I love that. I love that about IKEA drawers. It's the garbage. Yay. So pretty.
A $20 bowl.
That's cool. Is this a fake door or an actual real door? Oh, it's a fake door. It's pretty, huh? Oh, babe. Let's get one of these. It's only $4.99 for our clothes. $4.99 and you put your clothes in here, you just hang it. You can get two. It's a good deal. Put our clothes in there. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. This is like a cool DIY. See that? I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a DIY just like this. That's pretty. Or one of these using cattle panels. It's a good idea too. Look, I can make this with the leftover wood I have. Huh? That's pretty cool. We go over here, you gotta follow the arrows. We have like whole sections of stuff. It's so cool. Storage area. Oh, that's pretty. Huh? Dry storage. Oh, look. This is only $30. That's $60. So $120 for the 2 chairs and the table. That's cute. It's not, the chair's not very comfortable, but
It looks good.
it looks good. It's a cute couch or chair. So many ideas. Look at that. So cool. Do these do the same thing? Oh. Yeah, they do. See, I kind of want one of those. Put your storage stuff.
Oh, only $5 grand. Cabinets, candles, fittings, just covers. Then I get the equipment.
It's pretty.
12,000.
Oh, wow.
With the other.
I can make this with cattle panels. I can make this. It's not hard, right?
$28.
Yeah, I could make it for cheaper. That's so pretty.
This one, but it's so much more comfy.
You can keep it in the basement.
Damn right.
And you just stay there by yourself. IKEA. Oh.
There's that.
Huh? I kind of like this. It's cute. Armchair pillow. I think you would like this room very.
Den. Yeah. Something
like-
an actual window like that. to walk
It's like
through.
an organized clutter.
Yeah. Controlled chaos.
Ah, my hiccups are so bad right now.
Because you're shooting.
This is cute. Cute little patio. Into your bedroom. That's really nice. I like that. It's a cute patio. I love how they decorate the patios too, right? Isn't that cute? Like the little patio furniture.
Yeah. That chair looks like it'd probably be a little comfy.
I don't think this would be comfortable without the cushions. This is a nice chair. Like that mirror over there in the corner. Hey, look, they drew that. Chalk. Safety first. Don't climb on the stairs. That's cool. That says Kunani. Kunani. Right? Calyx. Golden shells. This is $15.99. Ooh, these look nice. Glass cases for $69. Really good. Is it comfy? This table is $23.99. $23.99, and then the chairs are $18. This could be nice for our backyard, huh?
Yeah.
Or even the front yard. The front yard, right?
Are you talking about the balcony or?
No, like even in the front. What, this is like $56?
Hmm?
This is like $56?
What, total?
I think so. 24.
36 plus 24. 60.
That's a really good price. We should get it. Kitchen. Look at that stove top. That looks cool. We have this. That's cool. $7.99 for this stove top. Desks. Drawer unit. The little drawer unit is $15. These are cool. Oh my gosh, my hiccups are so bad. Entering into the next section. It's pretty. Hangers. It's pretty. That's pretty. For kids. Here's the bed sets. This is only $2.49. Be nice, because then Billy can't crawl under the bed. Huh? That's nice too, but Billy can climb on the sides. Check out the closets. I would like to convert one of our rooms into a closet like this. Maybe the library room. Make it into a nice closet area. What do you think of this? Babe?
That's alright.
For the plants.
Yeah, it's like the one we've already got the June for, so we just gotta put it together.
Yeah, but 6 of them won't fit in here. These are the IKEA Ziploc bags that we like. So this one is the 0.4. I thought there was one where it has both sizes. Okay, we can get this one. What are these ones? Oh, here, there's a 1 liter one. So it's the same one. Okay. These are $2.99 each. Let's get this one. Yay, Ziploc bags! I don't know what the difference is in size. This one's yellow, 2.5 liter. It's a bigger one. Ta-da! Okay, moving on. Look at all these pillows. Oh, here are the bed sheets. I think. Okay, good. Where is that flower power bed sheet? There it is. It's pretty. IKEA lights. Woohoo! Oh, this is pretty. We must be entering the candle section soon. Something smells really nice. This is cool. I like this. Because it closes up like a ball. And then it opens up again. Ta-da! It's cool. Chandeliers. These are cool. Rugs. Billy would ruin these rugs. Guys, we're picking up a tree list that someone's throwing out. Kyle's crossing the street right now. It's right there. See it? That's what we're picking up right there. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Yay! It's gonna be perfect for my beans. Yay! Hi guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our IKEA tour. Stay tuned for our IKEA haul. Basically, it's gonna feature what we bought. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!